Good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel on Torres TV. Due to public demand, I will never speak Tagalog on this vlog. So sit back, relax, and don't panic. Today we have special event and I'm going to show you the super mega extraordinary buffet table that you never seen before. Usually this table we use this for VIPs and special events. I use see-through topper to look like the food is floating. I'll put also lights because the place is a little bit darkness. And the space is very tight, but I can manage her. Our company can offer any kinds of events like conference, private events, and daily catering. We have to clean first for the final touch. And all of a sudden, this guy came and said,
Bro, I lost my luggage at the airport.
"You called them?
Yeah.
What did you say?"
Where are you, my luggage? Bro, can you sing?
Of course, "You are so beautiful." Before. Big shout out to my hardworking brothers, Sumon and Saladin. And guys, I hope you enjoy my presentation today. Thank you. Oops, sorry. Maraming salamat po sa nanood ng aking videos. Ha? Dugo. English kasi. Akala ko nakasurvive na ako. Anyway, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat doon sa mga sumusunod. From United States of America, Susan and Russell Orfanel, Ninang Isabel, from San Pedro, Laguna, Owel Soto and family, my kumpare, and from Muntinlupa, Ryan Haberto, and shoutout din sa yung business na LJ Bike Shop. Yan, dulo pa. And from Pampanga, shoutout din sa iyo, Kuya Weng Manlapas, Ate Karel Sarmiento, Ate Lot Nabong Banag, from Valenzuela, Vincent and Pitong. Yan. From New York, Cubao, Ryan Ubante, and my Camia family, Noel, Reggie, Richard, Jong, and Charm and Goomer. Yun. And of course, last but not the least, yung aking pakpak. Di naman po ako makakalipad kung wala siya. My wifey po. Salamat sa iyong suporta. And bago tayong paalam, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat And lagi niyo pong tatandaan, kalma lang. Di bali na mabagal, basta umuusad. And this is Onin Torres. Peace out.